Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create dual tone portrait gradient overlay in Photoshop. Open your portrait and duplicate it once. Set the top layer to soft light blend mode. Now open gradient map adjustment. In the gradient editor, pick two colors like blue and orange. Adjust the midpoints for balanced tone distribution. You will see warm and cool tones appear instantly. Lower opacity if it's too strong. Add a curves layer to fine tune brightness. Now the portrait gets a trendy cinematic vibe. Enhance eyes or lips with extra lights. Add slight vignette for focus. This gradient style is perfect for social media looks. It gives you